Riva Yachts followers, welcome back to the 5 stars yachting brokerage world. Let me tell you an idea I have. When you're taking a boat, whatever boat, and you dismantle everything, you take all the interiors and you get them empty like a coconut, and you take the engine room and you do the same, and you basically rebuild everything. In this case, I wouldn't really call it a refit, I would call it a rebuild. What we have here is a 1988 Corsair 60, which is an artwork from Riva, and a gentleman in 2016, so many years later, took it back to Sarnico, meaning where the boat exactly was built up front, and he rebuilt completely with new engines, generator, gyro stabilizer, all the new interiors, all the new cockpit, all the new teak, all the new deckings and every system, hydraulic, electric, whatever, creating an old historical boat in a brand new condition with brand new system. This is really something which is deserving everybody's attention if you love open sport yachts. Take a look at this rebuilt 2016 Riva 60 Corsair and take care. This is the sleek, eternal, amazing line of the 60 Corsair. Look at the beauty she is. The cockpit is of course brand new, but not only redone what was here before, the layout of the entire cockpit, which is the most important area of a yacht like that, is completely rearranged up to the new boat standards. The interiors of this boat really deserve a chapter on their own, because when you're coming down in the lower deck, you are welcomed by the natural light of the interior, and you have it in this American style galley open in the middle of the yacht with the dinette right in front, and then you keep walking through the sleeping area and you have one double L-shaped beds, and then you keep walking up front and you have the master cabin at the extreme bow of the yacht where the volumes is comfortable, everything is big, really definitely from what the boat used to be before. And finally, what deserves a mention on its own is this restroom, this Turkish hammam with its shower, 2 new MTU main engines, new generator, and most important, brand new gyro stabilizers, really like a boat of these days. Inside the boat, there's a plate signed by Mr. Carlo Riva himself, where he makes his compliments to the owner of the yacht, congratulating for what he did, but his largest compliments don't go to the owner himself, but go to the artisans down in Sarnico, that is saying they created magic over and over again. This is not a boat for everybody. This is a boat which is very awkward because you're spending decent money investing on such an old project. But if you're a Riva aficionados or you love the sea, this boat is going to be the jewel in front of your Saint-Tropez villa or down in Porto Cervo. Hard to see any better. Take care.